Welcome to day 2, Quadra Island, BC. And look who we found. This guy was here last year, but we wanted to come say hello again.
It's our buddy.
He's our buddy. Let's go find something else. We found ourselves a little hut on the beach. It's got a window, a deck, a roof.
It's like a house or
It's
something.
like a little house or something.
It even has a back door.
I might have to move out of my apartment and into this little hut. All right, we're going to take off for a bike ride now. And stopping by the lobby is another one of these driftwood creations. So here's the guy's name down here if you want to check out the rest of his work. And yeah, let's get going for a bike ride and see what cool stuff we can find. So we just left the campsite and we're going to start riding up this hill here into Hoolieville. But we passed a trail right there, so as any good mountain biker knows, we have to go ride in that trail and see where it takes us. So Hoolieville's gonna have to wait a minute, so let's go check out this trail and see if it's rideable. Okay, let's go.
Okay, my turn.
All right, as soon as we entered the trailhead, there's the sign that says Drew Creek Loop Trail. There's no sign that says no mountain bike, so we're gonna go rip up here and see what's up here. So yeah, as soon as we walked up that big hill there, we came to this. So this is more of a hiking trail than it is a biking trail. So we are going to go back to Hoolieville, see where that takes us, and come back here another day and hike it and see where this goes. So let's go back to Hoolieville. And away we go to Hoolieville. Join us, won't you? Hoolieville! So my seat's making some sort of clicky noise. I thought I could fix it. I thought, you know, it was something to do with this, but no, it's my seat that's clicking. So we stopped at this toy box. So let's have a look and see what's inside. Toys. Cheap toys. And a little library. Oh no, shit, we're in Smurfville. How the hell did we get to Smurfville?
Past Hoolieville.
Huh. That's cool. Anyway, let's continue on. So we're just chilling outside world famous Harriet Bay Lodge. That's where that road took us. A buddy of mine from work, Gordy, sings and plays in a band called The Howling Dogs. They frequently play here. Come check them out. Burgers are probably pretty good. I don't know, I've never been. Anyway, we're gonna go check some more shit out and see what else is going on. Back at the campsite now, and we're gonna go and eat some macaroni and hot dogs. And Janelle's gonna eat some vegetables because she's a vegetarian. This is weird. We were just hiking through the woods and came across this. Not getting a whole lot of footage on my second day today. You guys make sure to check out Chippy Time's channel. She's getting a lot of footage done today. So I'm gonna show you guys how to chop kindling for a fire. All right, that sounds fun. Sometimes you gotta hold it and then try and be real quick. I used to be way better at it when I was younger. Way better coordination. Getting old, you know. There, that'll be good for now. Let's go, Chippy Time. She's gonna have a much better second day video. All right, so these guys are pretty cool. I'll come back tomorrow and get some footage of them in the daytime. So we're gonna head back and get a fire going. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and whoa, and have a nice day.